Hi guys, I'm Isabel and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, I'm so sorry. It has been so long since I've posted. I've had a lot going on right now, and this past year has just been super hectic. But I went to makeup school, and now I'm a professional makeup artist, and I thought maybe getting back into YouTube would probably be a good idea. So I'm here today with a makeup haul, as you can probably tell by the title, wherever it is on your screen. So I recently bought a bunch of stuff from Sephora, Morphe, Tarte, and Shoppers, and I thought I may as well just share it with you guys and slowly get back into making videos. So hope you enjoy. Full disclosure, I just went for a spray tan a couple days ago, and that is why I am kind of multicolored right now. I had my face tanned, and like the rest of my body, as you can tell, it's completely different. And then the next day I decided to book my eyebrows for some reason, and so I had like lines on my eyebrows from where they took the wax off and the tan came off with it. And so I tried exfoliating it so that it would kind of even out, and now my face is really angry and I couldn't wear makeup, so that's why I'm all different colors. Okay, so I'm going to start off with what I bought from Sephora, which was a couple palettes and a lip gloss. So first things first is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. So this was while the VIB 15% off was going on, so I took advantage of that. First of all, this packaging is absolutely amazing. Like, there's like Greece, it's a bunch of travel places, and it's just gorgeous. I was actually there in Greece, pretty cool. And it's just super cool packaging. I'm actually in love with the packaging. I could just stare at this all day. These are the colors. And it's super nice and super pretty. And like, you've got like, it covers everything. You've got your neutrals, your blues, greens, purples, pinks, oranges. It's very cute. I don't know, I just really like the packaging, and that's kind of what pulled me in. Okay, next I have the Fenty Moroccan Spice palette, which when you compare the two palettes, they have very similar colors, but yeah. So this is the Fenty Moroccan Spice. Packaging's also gorgeous, a lot more, well, it's simple, but not as much going on. These are the colors. You can see my nice little setup and messy room. Yeah, also gorgeous colors. I can't wait to play with this. I don't want to swatch it because I don't want to ruin it, but really amazing colors, and I can't wait to see how pigmented they are and how they blend and everything, and I'm super excited. And then I just bought the Fenty Gloss Bomb, the original one. This is before that the white one came out, but I'm going to be ordering the white one. I have it for myself. I'm actually wearing it today, the Fenty Glow. And I just thought I should buy one for my clients because I love this gloss so much. And I put it on myself all the time. And I thought, and whenever I'm doing people's makeup, I'm like, oh, I wish I had this to put on you. So now I do. Next, I'll go into my Morphe. I got the Vault, the Jacqueline Hill Vault. I know a lot of people were saying that it's like the same as her old one. Like, there's nothing different. I can't say because I don't have the old one. But yeah, so super nice packaging. The 4 palettes come in this little box, and they pull out. So entertaining. So the 4 palettes are Ring the Alarm, Bling Boss, Armed Gorgeous, and Dark Magic. So these are like everywhere right now, which is kind of why I bought it, because I was like so tempted and I just caved. So now I have a bunch of eyeshadow palettes that I don't need. But so first one is Ring the Alarm, and it's oranges, reds, burgundies, more warm colors. Kind of reminds me of the Kylie Burgundy palette. Yeah, looks pretty. Let me know if you guys want to see any looks with any of these, because I'd be down to do it. I'll probably do it anyway. Next is Bling Boss, and this is all purples, which looks a lot like the Kylie purple palette. But this one looks very sparkly. This gem color is like enticing me. I don't know if I'll ever use it, but it's really pretty. So yeah, next is Armed and Gorgeous. This one, when I saw it, it reminded me a lot of the Subculture palette, the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, because it's same kind of tones and everything, yellows, greens, browns, fall oriented colors. So I'm excited to play with this because I recently discovered that I look good in yellow, and I never thought that because I'm so pale usually that I just always thought yellow would make me look sick, but if I find a nice mustard yellow, it looks good on me. So I'm excited to play around with some yellow eyeshadow. And last but not least is Dark Magic. This is the dark green and blue palette. Again, super fall, like gemmy colors, and should be lots of fun to play around with. Yeah, let me know if you guys have tried any of these palettes out, because I would love to know which is your favorite out of those ones. Next, from Tarte, I got, I don't even have the other thing with me. No. I got this, the Clean Queen deodorant, because at work the other day we were talking about deodorant, and I found out that there's aluminum in deodorant, which I had no clue about. Like, antiperspirants and everything have aluminum and a bunch of stuff to stop you from sweating, and that's not good. So, first of all, the packaging is super cute on this. With like the chevron pattern and the colors, and it smells super good. It's a solid white. It just smells clean. Like, I can't really explain what it smells like, but on the back it says hypoallergenic, formulated without aluminum. So that's the Tarte Clean Queen vegan deodorant. I also got this is a repeat buy because it is my favorite tinted moisturizer. I wear it all the time. It's BB tinted moisturizer, whatever. I wear it as a foundation. Most of the time it's too light for me right now. But this is the Tarte Amazonian Clay BB Tinted Moisturizer, and my shade is Ivory, which I'm pretty sure is the palest you can get. I just really like it because it leaves your skin feeling super, like, moisturized and glowy, and I wouldn't recommend it if you have oily skin. Like, I have dry skin, and I definitely have to set it, but I do use a lot of, like, Fix Plus and, like, sprays and stuff to keep it looking glowy, because I like that glowy look. But if you don't, like, definitely use setting powder, setting spray, obviously. But yeah, definitely recommend this. I have super sensitive skin, and I've been using this for a year now, and it hasn't caused any problems for me, which is really good. I just feel like my skin can breathe with it, and yeah, on the back it says oil-free makeup, antioxidant-rich formula, formulated without parabens, mineral oil, phthalates, I can't pronounce that, triclosan, sodium lauryl sulfate, and gluten. And for people with eczema, you know that SLS is probably the worst thing for your skin. So sodium lauryl sulfate and sodium laureth sulfate, I think that's what's called. The thing that in shampoos and soaps that makes it like bubble, and it is so bad for your skin. Like, I now use for shampoo, I use Marc Anthony, and I used to get eczema on my scalp, and it was super bad and flaky and gross, and now I don't anymore. And if I switch, like if I'm traveling and I use someone else's shampoo, my head reacts like almost instantly, and it feels so itchy, and I hate it. So yeah, if you have eczema, stay away from SLS. I actually have an entire video on my eczema skincare routine. I will link it somewhere around here if you guys want to go check that out. Self-promo. Okay, now for shoppers. I was doing a shoot the other day, and I realized I forgot my makeup wipes at home, and I was going from my aunt's house straight to the shoot. So I stopped at Shoppers and picked up these CeraVe makeup removing cleanser cloths. I really like CeraVe. They're really good when it comes to sensitive skin. So I picked these up, but I really like these. If you have sensitive skin, I would recommend these. And then I got the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in Natural Ivory. I haven't tried this out yet, but I did swatch it on my hand, and I really liked the feel of it, so I'm excited to try this out. I'm currently trying to find new foundations to use on clients because I am using the MAC Studio Fix, I think, and I don't like it. I find it smells like paint, and it's just too thick and it doesn't blend into skin properly, and I don't like it when I use it on clients, because some clients it blends flawlessly, and then if you have dry skin it clumps and it's really gross. So it's not my favorite foundation. So I'll try it out, and then I will probably go buy some more. And the other one that I want to try out is the Too Faced Born This Way. I've heard amazing things about that, so that might be my next thing I'm trying, because I have the samples and I just tried it with my my tan shade was off, but I really liked how it felt until my skin started freaking out because of the wax, but that's an entire different story. But yeah, no, so I want to try that out next. So if you guys have any comments about the Born This Way foundation, please let me know, so that I don't spend $51 on one foundation and go buy a bunch more and then decide that I don't like it, because that would be very depressing. So that brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you try out any of these products, and let me know if you guys have any suggestions for foundations I could use on clients. Like, what's your favorite foundation? Because I always stick to BB creams and stuff for myself, and I have a really hard time finding foundations that I like. So if you guys could give me some tips on that, let me know what your skin type is, because that's the thing when you're a makeup artist, it's hard to find a foundation that works for most skin types. I could probably just buy more than one, but it's like $50 for foundation, and that's already 2 is $100, and you have to have at least 4 colors, and it's a pain. Anyway, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm really trying to make more videos this year and really focus on YouTube, because I love making videos, and I just think it's super fun and relaxing. Which is really weird because a lot of work goes into them, but like I love just sitting there on my computer and like editing everything together, and setting up. My setup right now is really bad, to be quite honest, but whatever, it's fun. I'd really like to start vlogging a little bit, but I don't have a good vlogging camera, so might not be right away, but eventually I'd like to start vlogging, because my life is so interesting. Like, oh my god, no, it's really not. I have a really boring life, but sometimes I do fun things, and I would like to share that with you guys. So let me know if that's something that would interest you, and let me know if there's any videos you'd like to see. I'm definitely gonna have some looks coming in with these guys, because I'm very excited to play around with these once my skin stops freaking out, or if I can find a model to practice on. Yeah, I'm rambling, so see ya.